So what you can also do is you can embed out your Twitters by utilizing the tweet block inside of Notion. So to do that, I'm going to press slash right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and type in tweet. And then if I were to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and then type in the Twitter post link as you want. So over here, you can see that I got linked to the tweet right here. So let's just go ahead and copy out this link right here and then paste this out and click on embed link. Once you do that, what actually happens is that the Twitter post is added in right here, as you can see, just like this, and it is actually interactive that redirects you to Twitter page right here, just like this as well. So this is how you can go ahead and add in a tweet block easily inside of Notion right here. So you can go ahead right here and add in more tweets as you like this as well. And you can see that this is actually interactive, and you can follow, and then you can go ahead and interactive, read more on X right here, just like this, as you can see. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.